Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to go into the Toolheads crate box. This is the first one that they've sent out to everybody, and I believe everybody got the same stuff, but I'm going to give you some information. If you guys haven't checked this out, go ahead and check it out. It's really cool. There's a lot of crate services out there, very few that I've seen as far as tool ones, and the great thing about them, their slogan kind of is cheap box, better stuff. They spend less on the box and the packaging and everything, and more on what's inside. Now this was brought about by the Rustbelt Mechanic and JRC54. Both their YouTube channels. I will try my best to link it down in the description, as well as the website for the product. And what's really cool is they have a lot of different payment options. I think you can do month to month, you can pay 3 months, 6 months, a year, however you want. And if I remember correctly, I think it's around $35 a month. If I'm wrong, I'll try and put the pricing up in here. But like I said, cheaper box, better stuff, and every month it'll change little by little. So that's really cool. And I mean, 90% of us, yes, I did the statistics and all the math in order to figure this out. 90% of us spend about $35 a month on random stuff. And if you're watching this, most likely you're interested in tools, so why not put that $35 towards a nice little surprise of tools and stuff, and apparel and stuff like that. Sorry about that, my heater just kicked on. And yes, that 90% was completely made up. So, before I dig into this, just to let you guys know, they set up a golden wrench ticket. Basically, if you're signed up to receive their crate box, one lucky person a month will get a golden ticket. Now in the thumbnail you might have seen this little guy in the thumbnail. Well, this is just an example of something that you could win if you get the golden ticket. Now obviously right now, with this just starting out, there's fewer people signed up. So if you get in on this now, you have more of a chance to win the golden ticket or get the golden ticket. But as they get bigger, it's going to be more difficult, so get signed up now if you're interested. But if you get the golden ticket, it is a prize that is at least worth $100. And this month it is a Milwaukee 3/8 stubby impact M12 with the battery and the charger. So that's really cool. It's valued at over $200, so really cool. But other than that, let's get into this. So, opening it up, like I said, it's just a box, because like they say, most of the time you're just going to take this box and throw it away, so why put money into it? They give you a nice little letter. If you want to pause it and read it, go ahead. They got their information down here and all of that, and it's just a nice little letter. I'm not going to read it or anything like that, but first thing in here, you can see the OG Toolhead t-shirt. You also get a decal or sticker, which will definitely be going on either my mini fridge, my tool cabinet, or one of my other tool cabinets, but it's definitely going on there. Here we have an Automate Top Don Bluetooth 4.0 OBD2 card diagnostic scanner. A lot of information right there on the front of it. But it works with both Android and iPhone. And you just simply plug it in, you download the app, and it sends all the information to your phone, which is really cool. If you guys have watched my channel, you guys know I've done a few reviews on the Top Don little scanners and stuff, and they're really nice little affordable OBD2 readers. So this is a new one to me, really cool, nice little addition to the box. And then here, kind of like a felt sleeve. You get a nice little, it's like a rubberized pen. It's a really nice pen actually, and it says Toolheads Crate on it. Cheap box, better stuff, toolheadscrate.com. All of this information will be linked down in the description. Here's kind of, if you're in the actual field, automotive field, this is kind of like a company that sells, you know, automotive equipment. Tire balancer, wheel alignments, scanners, a whole bunch of stuff, so that's pretty cool. Little advertisement there. You get a nice little shop rag. You can never have enough shop rags, let's just say that. You get 3 different zip ties. The head designs are a little different on these. This is so you can actually screw the zip tie to something. Now what's nice is they actually have the metal tab. I don't know if this will pick it up, but there's the metal tab on the inside, so these hold a lot better than the plastic ones. But all the information is shared here. Just kind of the information on people that make these zip ties and, you know, the pros and stuff to these zip ties. But it's a nice little addition. Go ahead and take a look at the back of this shirt. Tool heads, cheap box, better stuff. Tool heads crate. It's really cool. I like that a lot. So that's it. That's what's inside the box. I believe this is a really good first month. It's a good way to start out. And what's nice is you don't want to go starting with like some amazing stuff, you know, like all out, and then the next month, you know, send them something smaller. They want to stay around the same price range. Obviously, they got to make some money, but mainly it's a good idea and very smart of them to start out with something really handy like this stuff and progress from there. But that's really cool. I really enjoy it. Thank you guys so much, Rustbelt Mechanic, JRC54. Once again, their YouTube channels will be linked down in the description, as well as the Toolheads Crate service or website. It'll all be linked down in the description. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you're interested, make sure to visit their website, sign up. If you guys have any questions, you can either talk to them on their YouTube channel, comment to them, or the website. There's many ways to contact them to ask them stuff. But really cool what they've done here, and don't forget, sign up as soon as possible, because it's more likely for you to get the golden wrench and win $100, at least $100 item. And then, you know, the more people that sign up, the less chance. So hurry up. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time, and I really hope you guys enjoyed.